So, Jason bought a bicycle for €320. 18 months later, he sold it for €280. Calculate the loss Jason made on the sale of the bicycle. Okay, so this was known as percentage loss. Okay, so it's your loss divided by your original price. Oh, sorry, calculate the loss you made. So the loss would be, what's it? 320, take away 280. So loss divided by original price, multiply by 100. So that'll be, your loss is €40. Divided by your original amount, multiply by 100. So 40 divided by 320, multiply by 100. What we get here is 12.5%. Okay, so done. Your loss is €40 and your percentage loss is 12.5%. Okay, next part. Sharon bought a car for €15,000. She sold it 3 years later, making a loss of 32%. Calculate the price she sold the car for. Well, two ways of doing this. If you made a loss of 32%, this means you sold it for 68% of its original value. So I can multiply 15,000 by 68%, and this should tell me what is its value that I sold it for. Percent, and you get 10,000 and 10,200. The other way would have been to get 32% of 15,000 and take it away, whichever way you think you want. Now, question 5. A shop offers a €12 discount on a coat costing €150. Calculate the percentage discount. Well, percentage discount will equal discount divided by original price. Original price multiplied by 100. So it's going to be 12 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. So 12 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. And we get 8%. Okay, so most of these are pretty handy with these. 7. The price of a computer game is $59.99. In a sale, the price of the computer game is reduced to $49.99. What is the percentage reduction on the original price? So percentage reduction equals reduction divided by original price multiplied by 100 over 1. Okay, and what we get here is your reduction is €10. Your original price is 59.99, and you multiply that by 100 and on the original price. So 10 divided by 59.99 multiplied by 100, 16.67%, or 17% to the nearest percentage. Okay. So what we've done, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3, 5, 7, and I'm sure I went for 8 and 9 here now. Dealer selling a car for this much. She offers a 7% discount if the buyer can pay with cash. How much will the car cost after discount? Well, if you get 7% off, this means you only pay 93% of the full amount. 13,500 multiplied by 93%. Shift percentage 17,205. Nine. A company bought a photocopier and sold it 3 years later for €2,740, making a loss of 35%. Calculate how much the company are paid for the photocopier. Well, if they lost 35%, it means they sold it for 65%. So 65% equals 2,740. You want to find out how much 100% was, how much it was before it lost its 35% value. So you're going to divide by 65 to get to 1%, and then you're going to multiply by 100 to get back to 100%. So 2740 divided by 65. Multiply by 100. 3,800. Okay, and that's 38. Now, 10. A shop sold a laptop for 1,068. This includes an 11% discount. Calculate the price of the laptop before the discount was applied. Okay, so if it included the 11% discount, you didn't sell it for 100%, you sold it for 89%. So 89% equals 1,068. You want to find out what 1% is, and then in turn find out what 100% is. Okay, so it's 1,068 divided by 89 to get 1%, which is 12. Then multiply that by 100 to get 1,200. So divide by 89, multiply by 100. Okay, and we have question 11. Kevin bought a car and sold it 2 years later for 15,210, making a loss of 22%. How much did Kevin pay for the car originally? Well, if you lost 22%, it means that you only paid for 78% of the car. 78% of the car is worth 78% of the original cost is 15,210. We're going to calculate what 1% is, and then try after that to calculate what 100% is. So it's 15,210 divided by 78, multiply by 100, 19,050. So 19,500, sorry, and then 1% of 1,950. Oh, sorry, 1% was 195. Sorry, my fault. 195. There we go. Okay. And question 12. Molly bought an MP3 player and sold it a year later for €111.60, making a loss of 48%. How much did she pay originally? Well, if she lost 48%, this means she only sold it for 52% of its original value, because it's 100% minus 48%. Then you divide by 52. And then multiply by 100 to get back to 100%. These questions are quite easy once you get a rhythm on them. Divided by 52. Multiply by 100. And that is €214.62. Okay. And now we're done. Okay.